Well, I never thought this day would come, but there it is. Sit tight and I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, so the intro probably was a dead giveaway, but truth be told, this is my first Glock. I didn't start getting into guns until I was 28 years old, so it only took 12 years to get one. But a couple of influential friends and one smart trade later, and inside here is the Glock G43X. 9mm, 10+1 capacity, and factory Glock night sights. I know they're not going to show up too well, but there they are. I traded a gun that I enjoyed for about 7 years and decided I can't carry it. I don't get to take it to the range as often as I used to, so I thought maybe it's time to let this one go. So I talked to my local Fountain Firearms here in Houston, Texas, and proposed a trade, and he gave me pick of the litter. He had this one, and he had a standard one, and he said that he would give me an even trade for whichever one I preferred to have. So I thought, might as well just give me the upgraded one then. He also threw in a box of Pwnery Critical Defense, just on the side, and I got to come home with this on Good Friday. So it was a great Friday. Anyway, I just thought I'd show this off a bit. I believe this is a little over 3.5 inches on the barrel. Trigger pull is about maybe 5 pounds. Very crisp. Never really owned one before, but I've recommended them to friends over the years, and probably put my money where my mouth is and bought one. It's not to say that I won't still be carrying the Walther, but this is nice to have as a lightweight option. And as of today, Sunday, I believe, time that I filmed this, I went ahead and talked to VersaCarry and got a second belt and another holster for this, with their 60% off coupon for being a referrer, or giving a review to the last one I got for the Walther. So anyway, just thought I'd do this as a quick and dirty, and stay tuned, and I will have a range video of this. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.